Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to prevent overcharging on your Motorola phone so you don't damage your phone battery. We want to swipe on down from the top right and go to Settings. Scroll on down, go to where it says Battery. Now look for an option called maybe Optimize Charging right here. Turn this on. Then also where it says Overcharge Protection, charging is limited to 80%. Turn this on. Now this says limit charging when your device has been plugged in continuously for 3 days. So if you leave your phone plugged in a lot, that is horrible for your phone. So you want to make sure you're not leaving it plugged in all the time, or turn on the setting. And it says to keep your battery healthy and prevent long-term overcharging, the amount of time spent charging between 80% and 100%. Charging is limited to 80% until your device is unplugged. So having it plugged in all the time is very bad. So you want to unplug it occasionally. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. Leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more technical videos coming up next on Your Six Studios.